Hello friends! Today we are making super simple and quick 4 ingredients dark chocolate. Choose high quality, pure cacao powder, 100%. Start by measuring coconut oil. Mine is melted. If outside is cold, it wouldn't be, and you need to melt it first. Then measure the cacao powder. I recommend sifting it. Transfer into a mold. If you have a special for chocolate, you can use it. Before transferring to the freezer, I recommend covering the tray to protect it from water or ice.